So Dewalt tools, even though sometimes they do it slower than other manufacturers, they have been releasing new tools and they've been doing a really good job at some of the things that they've been coming out with. And what I mean by that is they've been releasing things that people really have been asking for. And today, my friends, well, we have another release. Now, I'll tell you this, Dewalt has been really good focusing on many different trades, but there's one in particular that they really got to clamp down, and I think they really do a good job on that, and that is the carpentry woodworking section. Now, the one nice thing about Dewalt is they're not scared of the cord. They're not scared to offer both corded and cordless tools, and let's face it, they're battery powered tools. They're great. They're cordless and powerful. They got the power stack batteries and all that good stuff now. But here's another example of how they just really focus in on this trade. Let me show you right now. All right, so this was just released yesterday. This is from Dewalt press release stations, and this is the first 20 volt max XR 3 by 21 inch. So again, this is Dewalt's first cordless belt sander. They've had them corded, but listen, they're getting with the times. A lot of people like that cordless, so I'm going to zoom in on this a bit. So I'm reading through here, and it was actually kind of funny what I seen, but let's just read a little bit. Today, Dewalt announced the expansion of his existing range of cordless woodworking and carpentry tools. And again, they do a really good job. I love their saws, their miter saws, their table saws. They just do such a great job on their saws. And also, let me say one other thing before I read this. There's other sanders, their orbital sanders, or sheet sanders have been absolute. I beat the crap out of those things, and man, they continue to do a good job. So their sanding tools have also been phenomenal. So I'm hoping this is going to be just as good. But they're saying that the belt sander features up to 22% more power versus the Porta-Cable 352VS. Now, let me show you that. So many of you know the Porta-Cable sanders. And before anybody starts thinking that Dewalt is just knocking Porta-Cable, Stanley Black & Decker owns Porta-Cable and Dewalt, regardless of what they did to Porta-Cable. And you know, a lot of people have very strong feelings towards that. You know, I get it. They're not what they used to be at all. But Dewalt basically saying that it's going to be 22% fat or more powerful. I mean, they don't even sell this anymore at Lowe's, maybe Tractor Supply, I don't know, but 22% more powerful than the cord. And that's really where we're going with these new battery powered cordless tools, is they're actually outperforming the corded tools, which is really impressive, especially with the new battery technology that, you know, the power stack has, and the stack lithiums and all that good stuff. And plus, it's a little bit more convenient. You know, got that cord you got to pull around and trip over and sand over, and you know. So on this, you have, and we got different pictures that I'm going to show you, but 25 speed increments. So very adjustable, I'll say. So you're doing woodworking, you got to go a little slower. You don't want to burn your piece, and you got to go a little bit faster to get some stuff off. Whatever you need to do, you can do that with this. A lot of different option when it comes to the speed control. And again, you got that brushless motor and all that good stuff. While the overmolded auxiliary handle allows for two-handed operation, you got the top here that I'll show you. And again, I got more pictures I'll bring up to you. But you're going to have that. You're going to have large surface sanding you're going to be able to do with that. The dust collection system features an adapter for the tool-free dust chute. So you're going to get the bag, and you're going to be able to hook this up to a vac. Standard 35 millimeter dust extractor, which is sold separately. I wish they would just put these things in the box. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, but I can't imagine them being that much more expensive, those adapters. Anyway, I think they're universal, by the way, too. So maybe that's what it is. If you buy it, you know, you could put it on, you know, your other tools. Like I have the adapter. I don't know. It's just me. But the belt sander will be available as a bare tool unit beginning in March, which is January, March, this month, where DeWalt products are sold. So let's see if they're actually available. Well, look it, cook it, what I had done found. They are available. I'll put a link in the description below for you to check these out. But yeah, so $299, and that's the bare tool. So price, you know, you're up there a little bit, you know, but this might become invaluable to you. I think it would be real nice. Like, so they're saying the list price is $358. You're looking at $299. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. What do you think? Now, these are available for back order, ships within 3 to 5 weeks, so you can order them, but they're going to take you a little while to get them because they're, you know, obviously still ramping these up and pushing these things out. And, you know, people are probably excited, but this is the SKU number right there. And obviously, let's take a look at the warrant real quick. All right, so what I'm finding for the warrant is 3 years. I'd like to see it at a 5, but it's at 3 years. The weight of this thing, 9.26 pounds. The RPMage on this, the speed basically is from 650 FPM, so that's feet per minute, and it goes up to 1,050. So definitely have a range there. And on top of the speed adjustment to control, you're also going to get that variable speed trigger, which is that's real nice. Like, so I'm not seeing how long this thing is able to run, you know, with one battery, if you got a 5H, or if you got the power stack and all that good stuff. But here's all the different pictures for you. So I mean, listen, there's the variable speed up on top right there. And it looks like you're going to have that easy adjust. So you just pull that out, just like on many other belt sanders. You're going to be able to pull that lever out. It's going to loosen up. You're going to drop out that sandpaper, put the new sandpaper back in, and then just tighten it down. So it's going to be very quick, very easy to do. Listen, the Dewalt sanders, pretty much all of their woodworking tools, they have been fantastic. I'm telling you, I beat the living crap out of these things. I really use them hard, and they continue to go. So I'm excited to see this. I want to know what you think. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Share this out to your friends. Listen, I'm telling you, I talk to your friends. They told me if you share these videos out with them, they're going to like you so much more. They don't really care for you right now, but they will love you if you share these things out. Also, I got more videos for you right there. Check those out because you're going to love this too. We'll be back with more videos soon.